was that time of the year where the stage was set for the 14 men जो Provogue Men's XP Mr. India World 2014 के टाइटल के लिए compete कर रहे थे। एक शाम इंडिया के 14 बेस्ट मेन के नाम who put their best foot forward to win the title। इस इवेंट को जज करने के लिए आए अर्जुन रामपाल, एली अवराम, रॉकी एस, मनीष मल्होत्रा and Arjun Bajwa. Also the former Miss India Ankita Shori was present here, who is their mentor. हमने यहाँ अंकिता शौरी और अर्जुन रामपाल दोनों से ही बातें की on how hard they had to work in selecting the winners.
Was it difficult for you between all the 14 boys?
Yeah, it is tough, because the brief that we were given was that they've just signed this whole contract of having a Mr. India here and to select a Mr. India and send them. This is the first time this is going to happen. It's affiliated to the Miss India, and they have a Mr. World contest that's happening in London in 2 weeks from now, or in England. And we needed to find one guy who's going to be our representative and send him. And it's mostly done on physicality. It's more about your fitness. They go through different kinds of regimes, and that's the competition that kind of happens between the men.
Actually, we auditioned them day before. So if you saw what was put up on the stage was done in a day's time. And we did auditions day before. We kind of trained them over the evening, and then yesterday entire day they all were just busy, brushing up themselves. I think we were quite lucky that we got such amazing guys who were well groomed, well trimmed bodies, and good looks. So we really didn't have to train them for a month or something like that, and it was quite nice, yeah.
And after the tough task, I final round ki bari, where the winners were announced. The winners were Prateek Jain, Provogue Men's XP Mr. India World 2014, Puneet Beniwal, Provogue Men's XP Mr. India 2014 first runner-up, and Bharat Raj, Provogue Men's XP Mr. India World 2014 second runner-up. इन तीनों ही विनर्स से इनके टाइटल जीतने के बाद हमने की बातें।
I've been working really hard for this, and when you win, when you achieve something, you're passionate about, the happiness you get. It's completely, you go speechless.
I came to Mumbai all prepared. I'm the only Delhi guy here, and it was I am actually very proud right now, and it was like a moment for me when I got this medal and all this, when I was crowned. I become something, and I am happy a lot.
Expectations lead to disappointment, so I was not expecting any of these things to happen, but I was working towards it, and I'm happy that I'm standing here right now and talking to you guys. So it's just a little start which needs from everyone, so anyone can do it.
All in all, this national event did go well, and we hope that the winners make India proud on an international platform. For Ilika Shrivastava, Zoom, Mumbai.